Hi, welcome back to another video. We are practicing Kurmasana and Supta Kurmasana today. The word Kurm is the Sanskrit term for tortoise. According to the ancient scriptures, it also refers to the second avatar of Lord Vishnu from his Dashavatars, where he took the form of a tortoise during Samudra Manthan. Before we start the poses, we will practice two drills in order to improve our forward bend and hamstrings flexibility. Come in seated position. Bring the legs apart. Flex your feet. Hold the feet from the sides. Do not hunch your back. Pull the shoulders back. Push the chest forward. And if you can, widen your legs a little and try and go closer to the floor. Take your chest and chin to the floor. This would help in improving your forward bend and would stretch your hamstrings at the same time. If you cannot go this far, you can keep the knees bent and stay here. Make sure that your spine is straight. The second drill we will do is, we need a strap for the second drill. Lie down on the back. You can also use a hand towel if you do not have a strap. Bring the leg up. Wrap the strap around your foot. Flex the foot, keeping the other leg straight. Pull the strap with both the hands. Point the heel towards the ceiling. Stretch your leg. You will feel a stretch here. This would stretch your hamstrings. Release and change. Same way, pull it with both the hands. And release. You can repeat this drill 2 to 3 times. Now moving on to the final poses. For the final pose, we will start in seated position. Bend the knees in the front. Flex your feet, keeping the spine straight. Legs apart. Now take the right arm under right thigh. Palm on the floor. Same way, left arm under left thigh. Pushing the hands on the mat. Try and slide your heels to the front so that your legs are pushing against your shoulders and your shoulders are pushing on the mat. Try and take your chin on the floor. Stretch your legs up and try and lift your heels off the floor. Pushing your shoulders even more with your thighs. Point the toes. This is Kurmasana. If you cannot go this far, you can keep the knees bent, hands pressing on the mat, and just rest your forehead on the floor. This is Kurmasana for beginners. Release and come out of the pose. According to Ashtanga Vinyasa tradition, Supta Kurmasana is practiced directly after Kurmasana. Now we will see how the beginners can start practicing this pose. We ended Kurmasana with bent legs. For Supta Kurmasana, now take right arm under right leg like this, turning the shoulder inward and taking the hand on your back. Same way, take the left arm under left leg, bring the hands towards the back, close your feet from the front, bending the knees, and rest your head on your feet like this. Hold the position for a few breaths. This is Supta Kurmasana for beginners. If you find it difficult to take the arms under your legs from here, then we can use 2 blocks. Place 2 blocks right in front of you and keep your feet over the blocks. Take one hand under your right leg, then the other hand under the left leg. Turn it backwards and rest your head on the block. Take 5 deep breaths. And slowly come out of the pose. This is not the final Supta Kurmasana. For final pose, we take legs behind head. And we will learn the final pose in the upcoming videos. These are intense poses, so don't push yourself too hard to achieve them in just a few attempts. Give yourself and your body some time and practice, and you will notice the difference yourself. The physical benefits of the poses are better sleep quality, relieves stress, enhances digestion, and improves the flexibility of the spine and hamstrings. These are deep forward folds, so they teach you how to stay grounded, compassionate, and humble. They help you turn the senses inwards, also known as pratyahara. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.